Welcome back to the channel. If you're a photography enthusiast, especially if you love mirrorless cameras, you're in for a treat. The OM system OM-3 has been making waves in the rumor mill, and today, we have a comprehensive breakdown of all the leaked specifications, anticipated features, and potential release details. From cutting-edge sensor technology to improved AI-driven autofocus, there's a lot to be excited about. So, if you're wondering whether the OM-3 will be the next game changer, stick around. 1. Design and build quality. One of the first things photographers look for in a new camera is the design and ergonomics. The OM-3 is rumored to maintain a rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it a perfect option for outdoor and adventure photography. Here's what we know so far. Compact, lightweight build. Ideal for travel and landscape photography. Enhanced weather sealing. Improved protection against dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures. New OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF, higher resolution for more accurate framing and focusing. Fully articulating LCD touchscreen, perfect for vloggers and content creators. Customizable function buttons, more control over shooting modes and quick adjustments. Compared to the OM-1, this camera is expected to bring subtle refinements that improve usability and durability, making it a top contender in the mirrorless market. 2. Sensor and image processing power. One of the most talked about aspects of the OM-3 leaks is the sensor upgrade. While the OM-1 featured a 20.4 MP stacked BSI live MOS sensor, the OM-3 is rumored to push things even further. New 26 MP stacked BSI CMOS sensor for improved dynamic range and low-light performance. Next-generation TruePic X processor for faster image processing and reduced noise. Higher native ISO range, ISO 100-102400 for superior low-light shooting. Dual SD card slots, UHS-2 compatibility for faster read/write speeds. 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS, up to 8.5 stops, making handheld shooting easier than ever. If these specs hold true, the OM-3 could challenge Fujifilm's X-T5 and Sony's A7 IV in terms of image quality and low-light performance. 3. Autofocus and AI tracking. Autofocus is one of the most important features in any modern camera, and the OM-3 seems to be taking it up a notch. According to the leaks, this camera will include AI-powered deep learning autofocus system with improved subject recognition, enhanced animal, bird, and vehicle detection for wildlife and sports photography, faster and more accurate eye tracking AF for portraits and video work, dual pixel phase detection AF system for snappier, more reliable focusing, low-light AF performance up to -7 EV, making it one of the best options for astrophotography and night shots. With these improvements, the OM-3 could offer Sony A9 3-level autofocus capabilities, making it a serious tool for action photographers. 4. Video capabilities, 6K and 4K at 120 FPS. Videographers will be happy to hear that the OM-3 is rumored to pack some impressive video features. According to the latest leaks, 6K 30 FPS recording for ultra-high-resolution filmmaking. 4K 120 FPS slow-motion video for cinematic shots. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for better color grading flexibility. Log profile support, OM-log and HLG, for improved dynamic range in post-production. Active cooling system to prevent overheating during long recording sessions. External RAW recording support via HDMI output. If these specs are true, the OM-3 could be one of the best mirrorless cameras for hybrid shooters looking for top-tier video performance. 5. Connectivity and battery life. In the age of instant content sharing, connectivity features are more important than ever. The OM-3 is expected to include dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast file transfers. USB-C with PD fast charging for on-the-go power-ups. Improved battery life with a new high-capacity Li-ion battery supporting over 700 shots per charge. Tethered shooting support for studio photographers. CF Express support for ultra-fast read/write speeds. These additions will make the OM-3 a perfect camera for travel vloggers, event photographers, and studio professionals. 6. Price and release date predictions. Now for the big question, when will the OM-3 be released and how much will it cost? While nothing is confirmed yet, leaks suggest official announcement expected in Q3 2025. Retail price estimated around $2,299 to $2,499. Early pre-orders may come with bonus accessories, such as extra batteries or a grip extension. Considering the OM-1 launched at $2,199, a slight price increase would make sense given the improved sensor, video features, and AI-driven autofocus system. 7. Final thoughts. Should you upgrade? The OM system OM-3 is shaping up to be a powerhouse of a camera. With its rumored 26MP stack sensor, AI-driven autofocus, 6K video recording, and rugged build quality, it could be one of the most exciting mirrorless releases of 2025. If you already own the OM-1, the decision to upgrade will depend on your needs. For videographers, wildlife photographers, and hybrid shooters, the OM-3 could be a worthwhile investment. However, if you're primarily a casual shooter, the OM-1 or even an older Olympus model may still serve you well. What are your thoughts on the OM-3 leaks? Are you excited about this camera? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more photography gear updates.